Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So this is very urgent update for all of you because the current condition is very critical now, and completely the coin is fails down. So can really the big pumps is coming soon or not? Whether they will move upward in upcoming time, especially at the mid of this month. This will be very important, my brother, to be predicate this coin video technical analysis and also share opinion in this video. So let's get start brand video. Kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. The last 1 month chart is on the screen, my brother, and this chart is absolutely very important for all holders to understand. You can see, my brother, this time the coin is very badly fails down, especially all month. You can see here last all month, and the price of XRP, you can see here 0.39 USD dollar. They will come and to 0.26 USD dollar. So that's mean to the price is completely fails down, and I think 0.1 USD dollar they are lost in the last, my brother, 1 month now. So this is one of the stable coin. They, if they fails down, so they cannot very fastly fails down. They are fails down very slowly. So therefore I will notify you, my brothers, to don't see the short fail. Absolutely XRP one of Stellar XLM one of the stable coin, and they cannot, my friends, give you a big loss. So be safe from the loss and absolutely don't sell it. Yes, remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and absolutely, my brother, I will guide you. So kindly holders like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos. Let's see, my brother, the last 24-hour chart to what's going on, and really, my brother, in upcoming time they will move upward. Also I will tell you now. So this time, as you can see, after this big fails, my friends, they will moving upward. So that's mean to upcoming time there is a lot of chances. There is a 70% chance so they will move upward, because, my brother, especially in the mid of month every coin will starting moving upward now. But my friend, Stellar XLM, this time absolutely after this very huge fail, my friend, you can see here they also take a very short jump, but after that you can see, my brother, they again starting fails down. So therefore 70% chance so they will moving upward, and my friends 30% chance so they will fails down. So hope you understand something new. Please, my opinion is, please hold, don't sell it, and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you a good profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.